Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change video quality on HBO Max. I opened HBO Max the other day while trying to improve the video quality of what I was watching, and I noticed the settings weren't actually inside the video player itself, but tied to the subscription plan. So I log into my account on the website and click my profile icon in the top right corner where account and billing options are stored. Then I went into the subscription section and selected the option to change my plan, and that's where I saw the difference between the standard plan, which typically limits playback to Full HD, and the higher tier that unlocks 4K Ultra HD and Dolby Atmos for better picture and sound. So I reviewed the available plans, picked the one that matched the quality I wanted, and continued through the confirmation and payment process. And once everything was updated, my streaming quality options immediately reflected the upgrade, which honestly makes it pretty straightforward because instead of adjusting a simple toggle, the platform ties resolution and audio quality directly to your subscription level. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.